How to install EndNote version 4. I'll extract it to the desktop and click close. Here it is. I'll start the setup, click yes, and this is the key, Firasat key, so you need to copy and paste it when it is required over here. So paste and click next, 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 next. I accept, next, typical, next, 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 and there you go. So this is very useful software, but there is sometime a problem that it does not get integrated with Microsoft Office, especially the Microsoft Word. So we'll try to see whether it is integrated in it or not. You can see I've disconnected the internet, because most of the time when you are connected to the internet, the cracked softwares, they don't work well. So once you install them, after that you can connect to the internet. Okay, I'll click finish, and now I'll see here is EndNote version 4. So it is integrated, but if it is not integrated, there is a simple process that you click over here, click to the options, and then click on the add-ins, and in the add-in feature you can see the inactive add-ins, common add-ins, and then the inactive add-ins, and you can add them.